Ready to clean your day and night blind? Let's show you how. Day and night blinds are made from lightweight fabric that needs careful treatment when it comes to cleaning. To keep yours looking good as new, gently wipe the surface with a lint-free cloth or a feather duster. Start by lowering a section of your blind and dusting the front of it at the bottom and then the back at the top. Then lower the blind to reveal the next section and do the same again. Repeat this until you have completed a full rotation of the blind. Never use a vacuum cleaner on your day and night blind. The suction might cause damage or fraying. Give some extra attention to the areas most likely to collect dust, like the headrail, edges, and the bottom of the blind where it meets the windowsill. For marks and stains, use a damp sponge dipped in lukewarm water. Make sure you squeeze any excess water from the sponge and wipe gently. And don't forget to give the mechanical parts of your blind some TLC too. A little silicone spray will help keep a chain like this one squeaky clean and remove any resistance or stiffness. That's it. Job done. Happy cleaning!